Galaxy Z Fold 7 major leak. Revolutionary camera upgrades, AI integration, and hardware refinements revealed. As Samsung gears up for its next big Galaxy Unpacked event this summer, fresh details are emerging about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. A new leak has surfaced, offering insight into both the camera and hardware specifications, as well as game-changing AI tools expected to power the upcoming foldables. This major update, shared by well-known tech tipster PandaFlash, reveals that Samsung is ready to double down on both next-gen artificial intelligence features and refined design aesthetics, pushing its foldable series into a new era of performance and productivity. Magnifying glass tilted left, what's new? Leaked camera specs and hardware changes. According to PandaFlash, Samsung isn't overhauling the Fold 7's look drastically, but under the hood, the upgrades are significant. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to house a brand new 200MP primary camera sensor, a major leap in mobile photography. This will reportedly be supported by an advanced visual engine with capabilities such as logarithmic video recording, potentially enhancing dynamic range and color accuracy for professional-level content creation. While specific camera improvements for the Z Flip 7 weren't detailed in the leak, there are hints that Samsung is working on enhanced photo quality across the board, likely bringing improvements to low-light photography, stabilization, and color tuning. Triangular ruler slimmer, lighter, and more durable. Foldables refined. One of Samsung's key marketing themes for 2025 is portability without compromise. Leaks suggest that both the Fold 7 and Flip 7 will be smaller, lighter, and tougher than any previous models. The Fold 7 could weigh approximately 215 g, which would make it even lighter than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and possibly the lightest foldable flagship to date. Samsung has also teased the use of a new ultra-thin glass layer, designed to improve durability without increasing thickness. According to a chart leaked by Ice Universe, the Fold May 7th measured just 3.9 mm when unfolded and 8.9 mm when folded, making it one of the slimmest foldables ever made. Battery life expectations. Battery life has always been a major point of concern for foldables. However, leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will retain a 4,400 mAh battery, consistent with the Z Fold 6. On the other hand, the Z Flip 7 might see a boost with a 4,300 mAh battery, helping it last longer through a full day of use with its compact design. Robot face, Samsung Galaxy AI and Google Gemini integration. The Fold 7 and Flip 7 won't just be about hardware. Samsung is putting a big focus on AI-driven features. According to PandaFlash, the upcoming devices will highlight an extended partnership with Google, bringing Gemini AI and Gemini Live integration directly into the foldables. Expect Samsung to showcase new Galaxy AI tools, including advancements in generative photo editing, AI night mode optimization, smart telezoom enhancements, real-time video blur reduction. Additionally, a refreshed Pro-Gen visual engine is expected to elevate both still photography and video output by applying AI to dynamically optimize settings depending on lighting, motion, and scene composition. New button Android 16 and One UI 8 debut on foldables. Samsung has confirmed that its 2025 foldables will be the first to ship with Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box. While the Galaxy S25 series already offers a preview of the new UI, the foldables will feature exclusive AI enhancements tailored to the foldable experience. Features like Now Brief, Samsung XR integration, and improved multitasking capabilities are expected to make these devices more than just innovative. They're meant to be productive powerhouses. Calendar expected release date and Unpacked event. Industry insiders agree that Samsung will likely unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 in early July 2025, continuing the trend established in previous years. Last year's Unpacked event occurred on July 10th, making that date or a similar time frame highly probable. Moneybag pricing concerns. Is the Z Fold 7 too expensive? While Samsung's innovations are commendable, the price tag remains a controversial topic. The original Galaxy Fold launched at $1,980 in 2019, and hopes were high that prices would drop over time. Unfortunately, that trend hasn't materialized. Z Fold 3, $1,799. Z Fold 4 and 5 maintained same pricing. Z Fold 6 rose to $1,899. Z Fold 7 could hit $2,000 to $2,500, especially in the US, due to tariffs. This escalates the luxury classification of foldables, moving them further away from mainstream accessibility. Foldables currently hold less than 1% of the smartphone market in key regions, a troubling figure for a product now in its 7th generation. Decreasing adoption problem. Users are switching back. Even among those who try foldables, retention isn't guaranteed. Research suggests that over 50% of foldable users revert back to standard smartphones like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Pixel 7 Pro, or iPhone 14 Pro Max with their next upgrade. This doesn't just underline pricing issues, it raises questions about the long-term value of foldables. If they can't provide a consistently superior experience, even premium buyers are walking away. Warning: thinness versus functionality. The real debate. Samsung has emphasized the ultra-slim profile of the Fold 7, but the question remains, does a thinner device make a difference for hesitant buyers? Probably not. What will drive foldable adoption forward is real utility, features that take advantage of the larger inner display. Multitasking, smart AI tools, and unique use cases for foldables need to be front and center, not just aesthetics and specs. Glowing star the case for a foldable fan edition, Z Flip 7 FE. Rumors suggest that Samsung may be exploring a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, a more affordable entry into the foldable ecosystem. If priced around $1,000, this could revolutionize the market by allowing broader access to foldable tech. Such a device would mark a strategic pivot from premium-only territory to mass-market engagement. That's the kind of approach Samsung needs to increase market share and foldable credibility. Mobile phone final thoughts. What Samsung must get right. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 appears to be Samsung's most refined foldable yet, featuring next-level AI tools, camera advancements, slimmer design, and futuristic hardware. But Samsung faces a larger challenge: closing the value gap. Until foldables offer not just cool features, but practical, everyday relevance at a price that makes sense, adoption will remain limited. It's time Samsung shifted its focus from just making the world's thinnest phone to delivering the most usable and accessible foldable on the planet. Pushpin TLDR recap for SEO boost. Galaxy Z Fold 7 leak reveals 200MP camera, AI Pro Gen visual engine, and Gemini Live integration. Foldables to ship with Android 16 and One UI 8. Lighter and thinner than ever, potentially 3.9mm unfolded.